Welcome back to my channel Vedantic Tutorial. I am your Gunapriya. So in before section we have learned the exercise 3B and exercise 3A. We have completed. Now in this section we are going to learn exercise 3C. Okay, before going to the exercise 3C, let's discuss a small note of this exercise 3C. See here, position of a point in a plane of a circle. Okay, this is the headline for the note. So positions. Now to find out the position of a point in a circle, there are a note, that is first note or notations. Notations. Note is the equation of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus, I'll write here, 2fy plus c equals to 0 is denoted by, yes, this note everyone knows, right? By using this equation only we have solved exercise A and exercise B. Okay, this is the first note. The circle equation is denoted as S, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Our second equation, that means second note, the expression I write here, x1 plus y1 g x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals to 0 is denoted by S1. So here S1 equals to x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. So don't confuse between these two expression. Here this is the S for the circle equation. For S1, that means another point, that means position of a point S1 is x1 plus y1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus t. This is the S and S1. Now you see S11. Now S11 is, the expression for S11 means y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Okay, this is the S11 formula. And S12 means x1 x2 y1 y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c equals to 0. From this only you can understand how you can write the position of a point. See here, S12 means first x1 and next x2, y1 y2, g of x1 plus x2, f of y1 plus y2 plus constant. Constant will be same. Okay, here S1 means 2 times. So x1 whole square plus y1 whole square plus 2g term will be x1. Why? Because here 2 terms are right. x1 plus x1. So like this will be here. x1 plus x1. So you will get 2g x1. Like this. Okay. Now you can understand easily, right? Okay. Now we will see another note for this expression. Another note, that is for note 2. Before we have discussed the note 1. Okay. Let s equals to 0 be a circle in a plane and P of x1 comma y1 be any point in the same plane, then first point. If the condition, what they have said, if yes, that means circle equation is equals to 0, be a circle in a plane, that means the point they have given x1 comma y1 be any point, whatever point in a plane, let's think that x1 y1 in the same plane, then what will the first note? P lies in the interior of the circle if S11 is less than 0. This is the circle. If the S11 is less than 0, that means interior. This is the interior point and this is the exterior point of the circle. So if a point lies in this equation, that means S11, we have already before, we have discussed it before. S11 means x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equals to 0. If that circle equation, this P point is lies. P means nothing but any point in a xy coordinate, x1 y1, let's think x1 y1. If the value is less than 0 means it is in the interior of the circle. Now our second point, if P lies on the circle, means S11 equals to 0. If S11 is become as 0, that the point is lies in the circle. And if P lies in the exterior of the circle, then S11 will be greater than or equals to 0. This is very simple thing. Don't confuse it. 3 points. If the point is in the interior means the S11 is less than 0, and if a point is on the circle means the S11 is equals to 0. If it is exterior means the S11 is greater than equals to 0. And there is another note 3, and this is the note 3, that means length of tangent formula. If S equals to 0 is a circle and P of x1 comma y1 is an external point with respect to S equals to 0, then the length of the tangent from P of x1 comma y1 to S equals to 0 is root of S11. So what it is? The length of the tangent, if that means circle equation S equals to 0 is a circle and they given a point P, that means x1 comma y1 is an external point. So in that expression only they have given it is an external point with respect to S equals to 0. Then the length of the tangent from P, that means point, any point, to S equals to 0 means this is the formula, root of S11. Okay. Next we will go for the exercise and we will solve the problems. Sorry, this is the exercise 1B. First Roman, first. So locate the position of point. So they have asked the position of point. Position of point. Okay. With respect to circle, with respect to the circle S equals to 0. So with respect to circle S equals to 0 when. So they have given 4 problems to find out the position of point with respect to circle S equals to 0 when P of 3, 4 and S equals to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, they have given one circle equation and one point. So we know the formula for the position of a point, that is S11. Yes, position means they have given one point and they given one circle equation. So we have to substitute this point in the circle equation and we have to find out the position. Position means nothing but it is exterior or it is in the interior. So we have to find out the point, that is exterior position or interior position. So the point is in exterior or interior. So S11 equals to, so the location, I'll write like this. The location of the point S11, right? That means now this is the location of the point S11 is x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12. Now this is the point they have given. Now substitute the x1 3 square, y1 is 4 whole square minus 4 into 3 minus 6 into 4 minus 12 equals to 0. 9 plus 16 minus 12 minus 24 minus 12 equals to 0. So 20 minus 24 minus 24. 25 minus 48, that equals to minus 13. Is it less than 0 or greater than 0? It is less than 0. That means this is the S11. So here S11 is less than 0. So the point, I write here, the point lies in the interior of the circle. That's it. So S11 is less than 0. Whatever the point given, we have to substitute in this equation. Now another question. Second question is P of 1, 5 and S equals to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3 equals to 0. Now location of the point is S11. Then you will get x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 minus 4y1 plus 3 equals to 0, which is S11. So here 1 whole square plus 5 whole square minus 2 into 1 minus 4 into 5 plus 3 equals to 0. Substitute the points. Don't confuse, very simple. 1 plus 25 minus 2, 20 plus 3 equals to 0. 26 minus 22, that means 26 plus 3 is 29 equals to 0. Then you will get 27. Okay, 27 is greater than equals to 0. So S11, that means 27. So S11 is greater than equals to 0. The point lies in the exterior, that means position. You can write here position of the point. The position of the position of the point lies in the exterior of the circle. You can simply write exterior. Okay, we'll see another problem. Now our another problem, that is third problem. So given point P is 4, 2 and the circle equation is 2x square plus 2y square minus 5x minus 4y minus 3. Now same given point 4 comma 2 is, that means x1 comma y1. Okay. Now location of the point S11. So means 2x1 square 2y1 square minus 5x1 minus 4y1 minus 3 equals to 0. There is a difference between these equal and this equals. Make it as equals to, arrow mark like this. Now substitute x1 here, 4, 2 into 2 whole square minus 5 into 4 equals to 0. So 2 into 16 32 plus 8 minus, yeah, 4 2s are 8 minus 3 equals to 0. Then you will get 32, 40, 20, 28, 31. So you will get here 9. So 9 is greater than or equals to 0. So here S11 is greater than or equals to 0, exterior. Okay. Next we will go for the fourth problem. Now this is the fourth problem. Okay. Same. Given what? Point 2 comma minus 1, that is equals to x1 comma y1. Now location or position, anything. Location of point, that is S11. So S11 equals to x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 minus 4y1 plus 3 equals to 0. Very simple. Now substitute the point 2 whole square plus 1 whole square minus 2 into 2, 4 into 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 3. So 5 plus 1, here 4 will get cancelled, equals to 0. So 8 is greater than, so S11 is greater than 0, which is exterior. Okay, very simple. They can ask these type of question for 2 marks. Next we go for the first Roman second problem. In before section, that means in before we have discussed the first problem. So find the power of point. Power of point P with respect to the circle S equals to 0 when. So they have given one problem. So we have to find the power of point. We know already the power of point. First we will write the question what they have given. So P equals to 5 comma minus 6 and S equals to x square plus y square plus 8x minus 12y plus 15. Okay. See here, in before they have asked the position. That means we have to find out the position of a point, either it is in the exterior or in the interior. Now we have to find out the power of point. Here the power of point, that means P of x comma y1 with respect to, that means with respect to circle of S equals to 0 means they have given P with respect to the circle S equals to 0 means we have to find out the value of S11. Okay. The power of point P of x comma y1 with respect to circle s equals to 0 is s double 1. So we have to find out the s double 1 value. Okay. They have given, this is the point and circle equation. See here, the power of point p. P means nothing but x1 comma y1 with, I'll write, with respect to circle s equals to 0. Then s equals to 0 is s double 1. So we have to find out the value of s double 1. In before question they have given the position. So we have shown whether the point is in the circle or outside. That means exterior or interior. Now this question, that means power of point means we have to find out only the value. Okay. Given point what? Given point, that means p of 5 comma minus 6 is x1 comma y1. So the power of point is s double 1. Okay. Now s double 1 means x1 square plus y1 square plus 8x1 plus 2y1 15 equals to 0. Now substitute the point value here. So that is 5 whole square minus 6 whole square. x1 means 5 plus 12 into y1 means minus 6 plus 15 equals to 0. So 25 plus 36 plus 40, 12 6 are minus 72, that means here minus 6 is there, plus 15. 5 plus 15 is 40. 40 plus 40, 80. 80 plus 36 is 116. Now 116 minus 72. So we'll get 44. So the power of point s double 1 is 44. That's it. Very simple. Now we'll go for another problem for the power of point. Now our another problem, they have given point minus 1 comma 1. Means minus 1 comma 1, and they have given one circle equation. Now given p minus 1 comma 1 equals to x1 comma y1. So power of point is s double 1 equals to x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 plus 4y1 minus 12 equals to 0. Okay. Now substitute the minus 1 in the place of x1 and y1. Minus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square minus 6 into minus 1 plus 4 into 1 minus 12 equals to 0. So 1 plus 1 plus 6 plus 4 minus 12 equals to 0. 10 plus 12, so 12 minus 12, that means 0. The power of point of the given question is 0. Next we will go for the another problem. So our third problem is, that is p of 2 comma 3 and s equals to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 8y minus 23. That is 23. Okay. First we have to write here given. So given p of 2 comma 3 is x1 comma y1. Write step by step only. Practice like this only. Then you only will write like this in your examination. Power of point is s double 1. So s double 1 equals to x1 square y1 square 2x1 plus 8y1 minus 23 equals to 0. Now 2 whole square 3 whole square minus 2 into 2 plus 8 into here, this is y1 minus 23 equals to 0. So 4 plus 9 minus 4 plus 24 minus 23 equals to 0. Plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 24, 37. Minus 4 minus 23, that means 37 minus 27. So that is 10. So the 10 is the value for the given point 2, 3. Okay. Next we will go for the another point. So our another point is 2, 4 s equals to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. So they have given this circle equation and point. Now we have to find out. Okay. First, our given point P of 2, 4, that is x1, y1, and power of point is S11. Here S11 is x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 1 minus 12. So 6 here, this is 6. Okay, minus 12. Okay, minus 12. Now substitute the point 2, 4 in the x1's y1. 2 whole square, 4 whole square, 4 into 2 minus 6 into 4 minus 12. 4 plus 16 minus 8, 24 minus 12. Minus 44, that equals to minus 24. So minus 24 is the value for the given power of the point. So these are the problems. These are very simple problems. When you understand the note what I have given before, read once. So read once again, then you can easily do these types of problems. Okay. In next section, we will discuss the third problem and second Roman and third Roman. Okay. Up to this, if you have any queries, just comment me in the comment box. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, so subscribe to our channel and click the bell button. From that you will get the latest update from this channel. Okay. Thank you.